I'm here with Brad from Resolute Precision Manufacturing. And Brad, when it comes to Swiss and really small part-offs, there's a common problem out there.
Yeah, so if you run a left-hand cutoff, a lot of times you're shearing the material off from the back of your cutoff to the guide bushing. So the guys at Vargus introduced me to the ST Cut, and that has been a game changer for machining small parts on our Swiss lathes.
Okay, look, I'm not a Swiss guy, so I don't understand. What's the benefit? What's the problem when you shear off material inside there?
Your part is not set up for your stock allowance is not set up for your next part. So now you're having to manually interrupt the machine and get it ready for the next part. You're also wasting material, potentially damaging your cutoff tool. Tool life's going to suffer. So by switching to a right-hand cutoff, you're able to cut off right at the guide bushing and have a lot more rigidity cutting off that close to the guide bushing.
Okay, well, that sounds like a good thing.
Oh yeah.
Everyone out there, they want to cut their costs, reduce their material, reduce the operator interactions. I mean, the whole reason most companies like yours get the Swiss is to run lights out, run thousands and thousands of these tiny little parts.
Yep.
So how has it been since you introduced this tool then?
Very consistent. We're able to have predictable tool life. We're able to have predictable cycle times, efficiencies, and not have the problems that we were having when we first got into it. You get into Swiss machining, and you think you can run any part size because of the rigidity of that guide bushing, and then it turns out everything but the cutoff is running just fine. And the ST Cut has changed that.
So what applications can you put this ST Cut into then? Like, I'm talking diameter sizes and material mix. What have you been able to use it in so far?
So you're able to do more than just cut off with it. They have grooving, threading, and that type of application. So it's not just purely for a cutoff, but in real tight areas where you can't quite get a regular groove tool in there, the ST Cut they offer bodies that are neck down, so you're able to get into difficult to reach spots, back chamfering type applications, stuff like that. And yeah, it's got a wide range of use. It's not just cutting off or threading. So
it sounds like a lot of applications. When
Yep.
it comes to materials, what materials are you able to put it through?
I've ran it steel, stainless, aluminum. It runs great for all of it. So